Hello, I'm Eli Stacy. I'm the Solution Design Manager in the US for Disguise. Today we've got some really cool things to show you. We're going to start off with X1 and then also showcasing the new looks template, which will be really game-changing for any programmers. So what we have here is a laptop that is using our X1 license. This allows this laptop to effectively become a server where we're able to output a single 4K feed, in this case over an HDMI, and you can use it just like you would a server. All of the feature sets of Designer, of course, are still available between video playback, layering, even tools that are found in virtual production like real-time rendering, as well as DMX outputs, things like this. The cool new feature that we're showcasing within the looks template is the idea that you can have stored preset looks for whatever your venue is that you can very easily recall. Now, this is something that you've been able to do very similarly within the software before, but this really makes it so much easier to be able to manage a lot of different media assets going to so many different screens and have those changes persist as you go to maybe the next section or to a different look, or if you need to recall that look again, you don't have to then program that aspect as well. So within each layer, we can see all the relevant keyframeable values that you've set. This is really helpful for anyone that needs to manage a lot of different screens and media assets at the same time. And thank you very much. If you'd like more information, you can visit us at disguise.one.